Hello friends, it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Phatmojo Piggy Willow head with mystery items inside. Piggy is a game on Roblox made by Minitoon. There are 10 mystery items inside, and Piggy is one of my favorite games on Roblox. And Willow is one of my favorite characters in Piggy. My favorite character in Piggy. And second favorite is Tio. And hopefully they eventually make a Tio action figure, because that would be cool. And then I think... there we go. So you open it like that, and there's all these items inside. So, we got poster. Let's see. This is cool. And there's stickers too. Alright, so poster. Then what do I do with the stickers? Oh, okay. These are big stickers. Piggy 8-bit sticker. Then Minitoon 8-bit sticker, and then Willow 8-bit sticker. Those are some pretty cool stickers. This is the coolest stickers. Only bad thing is that they're ginormous. Alright. First, we got coins. Piggy coins, possibly. Not Piggy coins, just coins. It might be what the currency looks like, since in the game it's just a yellow circle. And then there's how many are in here? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10 coins in that pack. Next we have tiny plushie. Ooh, it's a tiny little donut head Willow plushie. Domigos Willow plushie. This is adorable. Alright, next we have minifigure, which is Willow. I think everything in here is Willow. I don't think it's random at all. Everything is Willow in the Willow head, which is good. Next we have another figure, which is another Willow. And it comes with a code for Piggy Hunt. So she comes with her money bag and her revolver. Revolver and money bag. And then we have the role play item, which is a Willow mask. I think the strap should have been higher up. They have to go around your neck, and then they work perfectly. So, everything in this head is really cool. This is also fuzzy. My favorite thing was the Willow plushie head and these 8-bit stickers, because the 8-bit stickers were really cool. Now, if you want to get these heads super cheap, they're at Marshall's and Ross. So go look for them if you wanted one in the past. So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social medias at the Funky Play Bros and Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at cashapp at the $sign Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.